Next on HBO.
Beautiful, and into one of the engines, causing a scene. Sandra Bullock and Ben Affleck star in the romancing comedy, Forces of Nature.
Next on HBO.
The following movie is rated PG-13.
It's a great pleasure. It's a great pleasure. It's a great pleasure to have all of you here today. I thought you all might begin your tour here.
You know, I really didn't want a bachelor party in the first place, and I'll tell you why. It's not that I'm against tradition. There's just something bizarre about having a strange, naked woman dance around me while my friends yell out, "Go for it, Ben! Last night of freedom, Ben!" Last night of freedom for what? Which is what I told my best friend, Alan. I didn't want any strippers. I didn't want to get lucky. I was lucky enough just getting married.
All right, I'm not paying for that. Already he was chipped. We're here to wish Ben good luck and good riddance as he heads down that rocky path to matrimony. And hey, you know what? Ben's dad, Richard, and his grandpa, Max, are here. Where are you guys? Those guys, watch out. You guys got to pace yourselves. Knowing Ben, I'd have to say that he's probably